Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to dynamically hide fields based on the logged-in user in the app. We'll demonstrate this use case using a sample app. Imagine a scenario with a fuel reimbursement form in the sample app. For employees, the form should display only the fields related to the trip and fuel. For the administrator, the form should show fields regarding approval, in addition to the trip and fuel fields. This requirement involves making some fields visible to all users, while others are only visible to the admin. Let's proceed with the configuration to achieve this requirement. We have two roles defined within the application, admin and employee. Assume the employee's reports to the admin. Let's create a workflow that automatically hides the admin fields from the employees based on the logged-in user ID. From the editor, access the workflow section and proceed to create a workflow. Choose the form and set the workflow to run. When the record is created or edited, the fields should be hidden based on the user profile when the form loads. Give it a name and proceed to create the workflow. Click on Add New Action. The Deluge script builder will open. The logic is to fetch the role based on the logged-in user ID and hide the admin fields if the role is not admin. Declare a variable. User ID equals thisapp.permissions.role for user Zoho.login user ID. Here, the role of the logged-in user is fetched through their email ID and stored in the variable user ID. Next, use an if condition and type user ID not equals to admin. Hide approval status, hide admin comments, hide date of approval rejection. In this script, we hide these fields from employees. They are applicable only to the admin. Save the code and click Done. As an admin, all the fields will be visible in the form. Let's view the same form from an employee login. As you see, the admin fields are hidden from the employee. After the employee fills out the form, the admin can review the claim and fill in the required fields. From the report, the employee can see the review details. However, they will not be able to edit any admin fields and can only access the record information. The requirement is met. Similarly, you can hide specific fields for specific users on your forms with this configuration based on your needs. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.